Are you even Australian if you don't shop at Kmart? If you live in Australia and you don't, I don't classify you as a citizen, even if you were born here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a classic Kmart haul. I haven't done one in such a long time, so I thought it was about time that I sit down and do one because I know that you guys love them so much. You love my Kmart hauls as much as I love going and spending money at Kmart, you know what I mean? I just wanted to take a little bit of a break from them because I feel like I can do them too much. You guys may disagree with that or you may not. I actually deleted my last Kmart haul because I had that much negativity on it. And I'm just not about it. If you're someone that's gonna watch this and feels the urge to leave a nasty or just a plain negative comment down below this video, please don't, because your opinions are irrelevant. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. That's a good one. You should probably, you know, take that advice. What I've learned is that if you go through life being a negative asshole, nothing really good happens to you. So, stop. I've got a fair few things from Kmart, not really exciting to be honest. Kmart just hasn't been getting me horny lately like it usually does. Their clothing's been pretty good, but everything else I'm like their homewares. I also have some stuff from Spotlight and also Target that I want to show you, just a few pieces. If you follow me on my Instagram, MAKEUPANDMARY, I'll leave it on the screen right now, you would have totally seen me haul this. Sometimes I do that, I haul little stuff, little things. You don't care. Let's get into the video. Okay, I think we'll start off with just the basic stuff that no one really cares about, but also everyone loves buying from Kmart. I picked up some Revlon lash glue. This is the Precision Dark Lash Glue. I love this lash glue. It's the only one that I have found that sticks on my eyes very well. What I've noticed with it is you need to repurchase it quite often. Once it starts getting goopy in the container, it doesn't stick as well. I got 2 packets of $2 makeup wipes because what bitch doesn't use these? I got a pack of 2 travel spray bottles. This is for my makeup kit. I'm going to be putting one with just water in it and then one with alcohol to sanitize when I'm out freelancing, clients, things like that. So that was kind of boring. Let's move on to the clothes. I'll actually start off with this. Now, I don't know if this is still available. If it isn't, how fucking rude of me. But I picked this Leopard print singlet top up, I want to say like almost 2 months ago. So I don't know if it's even still there. It might be on the online website, not sure though. It's just a really nice like chiffon material cami. And it's leopard print, and you guys know how much I love leopard print, and this is just a really nice top that I have worn out. I've worn it casual, you can dress it up, dress it down, and it has a double layer too, so it's not see-through or anything like that. It is a vibe. If you don't think leopard print is a vibe, you're not a good human. Is that rude? No, I'm just kidding. You're perfect the way you are, Dal. Also grabbed this literally the other day. This is a knit jumper from Kmart, obviously. It is a really nice kind of blushy, nudie, light pink, and it's quite thick. It has this really nice material. Kmart's killing it when it comes to their knitwear at the moment. They have this like yellow kind of high neck knit that I really want to get. I did get this in the size 14 to 16 because I wanted it to be like quite oversized, really comfy, would look really cute with like some light denim jeans and some sneakers, like white ones. And I forgot how much this cost. Oh no, it says here. This was $20 because I haven't even worn it yet. Also from the knitwear section, I got this one that I've worn already. I got this a while ago, but I noticed that it was still there the other day. And this is just another knit, but this one is a burgundy color, perfect for the fall time because we're in autumn here in Australia. And I got this one in a size 10 to 12. So this one's more fitted. Then I also got this black hat that I've worn in so many videos and on Instagram a lot, so you guys have seen it. It's just one of those like baker boy hats, I'm pretty sure. Is that what they're called? It has like rustic detailing and then this really nice detailing at the front of these like plaited kind of cords. I love these hats so much. Heaps of people make fun of me when I wear them, but I think I look good in them and I absolutely love them. They are just a perfect hat. Like you can wear them in the summertime, you can wear them in the wintertime, you can wear them in the autumn time, you can wear them all time of year, and they look good with so many different outfits. You can wear it with a knitted jumper and some jeans and some like Doc Martens and they look sick, or you can wear them like with shorts, like denim shorts and like a shirt kind of thing in the summertime and it looks sick. It's just, the hat is a vibe. It's vibe, it's vibe, it's vibe. I got this. This is a silver and black diffuser. I have no idea. Silver look diffuser. I have no idea what smell it is. Doesn't smell the greatest, but it looks fucking cute. And if you've been following me on my Instagram yet again, I have been redesigning my beauty room. Not redesigning, but trying to finish it off and just make it look a little bit more glam. So obviously my aesthetic is black, grey, whites, and silver chrome. So this just goes really well, and I just sit it up on some drawers that are just over here behind me. I got these two randomly the other day just because I bought a vase from Spotlight, which I'll show you in a minute, that I needed some flowers. These are not the ones that I'm going to keep in there the whole time. They're just for now, but they were $5, just like some fake flowers. I sit in this vase here, which I got from Spotlight, and I believe this was $19. It says here 25, but I believe it was on clearance or something like that. And I just stick them in like so, and that sits on my vanity. Super cute, love it. Also from Spotlight, I got this candle. This is not like a scented candle or anything. I just need to get like a candle holder for it. And it's a really nice like ombre of black to grey to like a really light white at the top. It's absolutely stunning. It's just gonna look good once I get like a coffee table, because right in front of me, and I will film my beauty room so you guys can be a part of it. Right in front of me, I have like a lounge area in this room. Like here's my vanity, there's like where my makeup's stored, and then I have a couch. I want to get like a little side table or a coffee table or something and stick this on there. Next up, we've got stuff from Target. So this here is just literally a box of tissues. And I said this on my Instagram story, and I had so many people DM me and just laughing at me. This box of tissues from Target is $1.50, and I only buy my tissues from Target because I like the print of this box. I am that bitch. I am not high maintenance. I am not materialistic. Maybe just a little. So I got this, and this is gonna go on the coffee table with some books and that candle. This is one of those hourglasses. That's what you call them, right? Hourglasses. And it's like a silver kind of glass. It's so stunning. And then yeah, obviously the time ticks. This is $2. I got it from the Mornington Target. So if you're in the Mornington Peninsula and you're looking for this, it's no longer at the Rosebud Target. You gotta go to Mornington, because I went to Mornington Target for this. And yeah, it's gorge. Totally my aesthetic, obviously. Oh, I forgot. I had one more thing from Kmart. These earrings I'm wearing right now, these are like gold leopard print. In the middle of these, on the leopard print, it's actually furry. These are the sickest earrings. I got these from Kmart too, and I believe that these were $4. So that is it for today's Kmart haul. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Honestly, helps me so much. Don't be rude. Thumbs it up. If you have any video suggestions or you just want to have a chat, no negativity, bitch. Leave it at home. Don't put it on my page. Don't want to see it. I'll come for you if you leave it there. But if you want to have a nice conversation with me, don't forget there's a comment box down below this video. I'll leave my most recent videos here on the screen right now, so if you're in the mood to watch me, you can just click and do so. I make it easy so you don't have to like, you know, put any effort in. It just comes up on the screen and you can just click and watch. Also subscribe, because that's rude if you come and watch this video and then just leave. Like, I upload some fun videos and I think I'm pretty fun. I can be silly, I can be serious, I can be bogan, I can be anything you want. Just come and join the family. Come and become a part of Makeup and Mary, okay? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!